Dyno Bob here. Hey, I want to talk to you about the BMW Mini Cooper. And they made these for quite a few years. It's a very durable system. They're fun cars. And they are air-to-air intercooled. And they do put smaller pulleys on them, maybe 10 to 17%, which I don't really recommend 17, but we see a lot of it. But we also get a lot of these to rebuild too. So one unique thing about the Mini Cooper is actually the rear drive. The front drive is pretty conventional. We'll have the rotors, the rotor plate, and then we'll have the front drive, and it's a oil-filled cavity that lubricates your bearings and such on the front drive, and that's what you're used to. But what's unique about the Mini is it runs a rear drive, and the rear drive, you see this gear, it'll actually be in the housing, and there's another small gear that gets pressed on one of the rotors, and it drives this, and it's a rear drive water pump. And over time, it seems like the sealant that they use on that rear drive plate disintegrates, the oil comes out, and more often than not, they burn up the rear gear set on the water pump drive. And it's not a set of gears you can buy anymore, but we have them manufactured. So we have these in stock along with other parts needed to rebuild a Mini Cooper. And they're quite popular. We do a few a month. And we've been doing them for a long time. I haven't shown them to you. But the blower's conventional. It's got the 1-to-1 gear. It's got the press-on pulley, not a pin. And it has a 45, they call this a 45 rotor. You can see it's a 3-lobe rotor, same as a 90, a 12, a 22, it's just small, 45. And there you have it. We do also port these, and when we do port them, we'll increase rotor duration here, take a bigger gulp, a little more exit, and on the entrance here, we see the manifold. What we like to do is we like to really open this up. But it should be noted, you should also open up the plenum, the intake side, to match it when we do that. So, there you have it. I think the price on these are like $10.95. Is that ported, Deanne, or?
$12.95 ported.
$10.95 for the full rebuild when you need the water pump, gears and such. And then $200, it's $12.95 when you add the porting to it at the time of rebuilding. So I wanted to go over with the Minis today and just let you know, we do a bunch of them, we do stock all the parts, we do make the drive gears. And when they do come back, they look brand new. All Kurt's stuff looks really great. And now the case ain't done, I gotta port that today and paint it, but you see like the finish, like that's pretty a typical rebuild sort of finish when Kurt does it. So if you have any questions on the Minis, give us a call anytime. We'd be glad to help you. And until next time, see you later.